Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Rao. Welcome to Rao Biology classes. So guys, we all know that in my last videos I was completed plasma membrane and the membrane transport process. So guys, today we start endomembrane system. As we all know that a cell consists cytoplasm and the organelles. Okay, so today we discuss endomembrane system. ये जो एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम है गाइस, ये कंसिस्ट करता है फोर ऑर्गेनेलीज. इट कंसिस्ट फोर ऑर्गेनेलीज. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, ओके. सेकेंड वन इज गोल्गी apparatus, and third one is lysosomes. Fourth one is vacuoles. Okay, these four organelles are interconnected to each other and they perform their function coordinately. Okay, so ये organelles जो हैं एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम के अंदर इन्वॉल्व इसलिए हैं क्योंकि इनका स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन जो होता है एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होता है. ओके, सपोज we take a product A. Okay, this product are made in this company. Okay, suppose the endoplasmic reticulum is become a company. Okay, so a product is formed in this company or made in this company. Then we transfer this product to Golgi apparatus. Here there is a packaging is occur. Okay, here the packaging of product A is occur. Okay, then एक कंपनी में प्रोडक्ट ए बना, देन ये प्रोडक्ट जो है पैक्ड होगा और देन पैक्ड होके ये प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों तक पहुंचेगा. ओके, देन इट ट्रांसफर टू lysosomes. ओके, देन सो हियर their functions are correlated with each other. So we study first of all endoplasmic reticulum today in this lecture. Okay, let's start the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, reticulum. Okay, so first we understand the meaning of this organelle. First of all, endo means that inner side. Okay, inner side. Plasmic means that cytoplasm. And third is reticulum means that net-like structure. Net-like structure. ओके, साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर एक नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो होता है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. ओके, सो वी आल्सो डिफाइंड एज दैट एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो होता है वो एक 3 डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो कि एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्ट्रक्चर होता है और ये इंटरकनेक्टेड होता है एक मेम्ब्रेन चैनल्स के फॉर्म में. Okay, so it is become a 3-dimensional structure which became complicated and are interconnected with each other by membrane channels. ठीक है? So secondly we discussed that which scientist discovered the endoplasmic reticulum and gave the term endoplasmic reticulum. So firstly Porter and Thomson are the two scientists which independently discovered the endoplasmic reticulum in 1945. Okay, the Porter and Thomsons independently worked and discovered in 1945 for endoplasmic reticulum. Then we come to the term gave endoplasmic reticulum. So Porter in 1953 gave the term endoplasmic reticulum. So ये दो साइंटिस्ट जो थे, these are the two scientists Porter and Thomsons, इन्होंने एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम को इंडिपेंडेंटली डिस्कवर्ड किया. देन जो पोर्टर थे उन्होंने termed the endoplasmic reticulum. So we discussed the meaning of the word and the definition, then the discovery. So next we discovered structure. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum consists three components: cisternia and vesicles. Third one is tubules. Okay, these are the three components of endoplasmic reticulum. Here the cisternia जो होती हैं वो 40 to 50 nanometer in diameter होती हैं. It became 40 to 50 nanometer in diameter. Okay, and the cisternia are parallel to each other and in bundled form. It occur in bundled form. Okay, its structure is like that. Okay, they are interconnected with each other or parallelly occur. Okay, and the second one is vesicles. These vesicles are oval and rounded in shape. Okay, it became oval and rounded. Oval and rounded in structure, and their diameter is approximately 500 nanometer. Okay, then the third one is tubules. These tubules structure is that. Okay, ये जो tubules होती हैं it becomes branched, unbranched हो सकती हैं. It became branched, unbranched, regular and irregular. Okay, then the diameter of these tubules became 100 nanometer approximately. Okay, these tubules are connected with cisternia and the vesicles. Okay, so these are the three components, structural components of endoplasmic reticulum. Then we discuss the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and their function in detail. So first of all, we all know that endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. It becomes rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is of two types, endoplasmic reticulum. So let's start structure to discuss endoplasmic reticulum. Suppose guys, this is a cell. This was a cell. Okay, the cell. So what is the brain of the cell? We all know that the brain of the cell became nucleus. Okay, and the nucleus is doubled membrane structure. Okay, then the outer membrane of the nucleus is extended outside and folded. Okay, so these are extended outside, the external outer membrane of the nucleus. So before we discussing in the endoplasmic reticulum, there is some point here that in our body or in our cells, there is some reactions are performed. Suppose A plus B gives C and C gives A plus B. So during performing any reactions, we require some enzymes, okay, as a catalyst. So there is some enzymes required for catalyze these reactions. These enzymes, we all know that they are proteinous in nature, or we call that they are proteins. Okay, so the question is arises from here that where these proteins are synthesized or these enzymes are synthesized. Okay, the source of the synthesis of these enzymes are endoplasmic reticulum. So, we discuss the synthesis of these enzymes or proteins. So, let's start. So, I was discussing here that the outer membrane of the nucleus are folded into the cytoplasm and they form endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Second one is that here the endoplasmic reticulum divided the cell cytoplasm into two forms. The inner space of the endoplasmic reticulum, we call that it became a lumen, or we also say that it was the extra luminal space. No, sorry, it becomes endoplasmic reticulum matrix. And the third one, the remaining space is extra luminal space. Okay, or simply we call that this space is the cytoplasm. Okay, so we discuss firstly endoplasmic reticulum. Here the protein synthesis occurs. So guys, on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, there is some other organelle is present in the form of granules. Okay, so this organelle is ribosome. Okay, so guys, the ribosome is the smallest organelle and we all know the function of ribosome is protein synthesis. Okay, so here these ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum synthesize the proteins, and when the endoplasmic reticulum synthesize the proteins, these proteins are transferred into the lumen space of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, through the pores. Here the pores is also present near these ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, when these proteins which was synthesized from ribosomes entered into the endoplasmic reticulum, there is a small modification is also occur. This modification is that here many proteins, vitamins or carbohydrates are present. So when the carbohydrates attach with these proteins, they modify into glycoproteins. But guys, at that point there is a little modification is occur. Okay, the large number of modification or large amount modification occur in another organelles which are present in series of this endoplasmic reticulum. So here the proteins are synthesized and entered into the endoplasmic reticulum space. They passes through smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the form of vacuoles. Okay, here, and the second point is that due to the presence of these ribosomes, we call that this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum is because of presence of ribosomes. For example, there is some pimples present commonly on the face of girls. So this behave as a rough surface. Okay, so we call that it became rough endoplasmic reticulum. But the difference is that here the pimples are, or we call that the ribosomes. Okay, so due to presence of these ribosomes on endoplasmic reticulum, we also call that rough endoplasmic reticulum is granular endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, granulars we say that the granules behaves as that grains. The ribosomes behave as that grains. Okay, so we call that rough endoplasmic reticulum is granular endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, here the proteins are synthesized and transferred to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, transferred through smooth endoplasmic reticulum into the cytoplasm in the form of vacuoles. These vacuoles further fused with Golgi apparatus, which was present in series of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, these vacuoles further fuse with this Golgi apparatus. Okay, so we call that here the product is formed, then the packaging occur in this Golgi apparatus. Okay, so the second one is that this was all about rough endoplasmic reticulum, or we say the function of this rough endoplasmic reticulum is that here protein synthesis is occur. Okay. Second one, modification of proteins is occur. Okay. And the second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. This rough endoplasmic reticulum, we call the rough endoplasmic reticulum because due to the absence of ribosomes. Here the ribosomes are absent. Okay. For example, here on the cheek of a girl, the pimples are not present. The cheek behaves as smooth surface. So we call that this endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So here ribosomes are absent. So in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, proteins are not synthesized. But here lipids are synthesized. Okay. Here lipids are synthesized. Lipid synthesis is occur. So when similar to a rough endoplasmic reticulum, lipids are synthesized into the SER. They transfer to the cytoplasm in the form of vacuoles. Okay. So these are the two products which are formed in endoplasmic reticulum is proteins and the lipids. Okay. So the function, let's discuss the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, guys, ये जो smooth endoplasmic reticulum है is highly developed in mainly alcoholic persons. Okay, because here the detoxification is occur. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum function is to detoxify the drugs and other alcohol, suppose alcohols and other beverages. Okay, so in alcoholic person, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is highly developed. Okay, for example, a person which are highly alcoholic, when they consume a little amount of alcohol, they have no effect of alcohol in his body. Okay, there is no effect in his body of alcohol because here smooth endoplasmic reticulum is highly developed. They detoxify continuously the alcohol. So, and this detoxification occur in guys or in our liver. Okay, so smooth endoplasmic reticulum is highly developed in your liver or pancreas. And also the detoxification of drugs is also occur. In highly alcoholic consuming person, there is the effect of drugs is very low as comparison to the normal person. Okay, so the smooth endoplasmic reticulum function is to detoxify of drugs. Function is to perform detoxification of drugs. Okay, then third one function is to store calcium ions. Okay, store calcium ion is that in our muscles there is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum are present. When the nerve cells transfer their effect to smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they release calcium ions. Due to the release of calcium ions, our muscles start contraction. Okay, so in our muscles your muscles are highly flexible due to the presence of these SER because they store calcium ions. When they release the calcium ions, your muscles become contract easily. Okay, so these are the three functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so they all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so these are the first organelle today which belongs to endomembrane system. Okay. So in my next video, I will discuss Golgi apparatus. So please wait and watch my next video, guys. Thank you so much for listening me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.